everyone, my name is Tara and today I'm gonna do a special unboxing. Why it is special? Because today I'm gonna unbox a very special item which I bought for myself on my birthday. So whatever we buy for ourselves on our birthday is always special, but this time I wanted to buy something which holds value, significance, and which is like very close to my heart. So this time I wanted to go for some jewelry pieces which will stay with me forever and which are like my favorite design. So as you all can see, I got something for myself from Cartier. So I bought two bracelets from Cartier, and one is Love and another is Juste and Clou. They're very popular, very iconic designs I chose. Not because they're iconic and popular, also because I love the design. So on my birthday only, which was on 16th. So today is 18th. I'm shooting this video on 18th because there are lots of birthday parties going on. People were coming in. I was busy with my friends and family. So I could not unbox and could not wear it myself also because I already had my jewelry planned on for my birthday. So this is the gift I bought for myself for my birthday, and today is 18th. I bought these pieces on 16th. So I'm gonna unbox these two beautiful jewelry pieces with my beautiful YouTube family. So let's go and do the unboxing. So this is how the Cartier people will give your jewelry piece in this kind of packet, and so this is how it looks. Let's go and see. This is where my jewelry is, one of the bracelet. So I really like this stamping. Because of this stamping, I wanted to do unboxing. I didn't want it to wear it directly because of this kind of unboxing packing. And along with your bracelet, they'll give you your certificate for authentication of your bracelet with some special number in it, like this kind of certificate they're gonna give. Okay, so nice packing. This is the certificate they have given, and this is the traveling box. If I'm traveling, I can put my jewelry in this box. So there's a cloth also, and this is the box. Oh, sorry, this is the cleaning item they have given. They have given one traveling pouch also. So inside they have given the cleaning liquid. If this bracelet go dirtier or it scratches a little bit, so you can clean with this product. Let me pull it and see. It's a little tighter. So there's a liquid bottle, you can see. There's one bottle liquid and a wiper. So this will come with your packet. And yeah, this was the traveling pouch I was talking about. So if you're traveling, you can put your jewelry inside this beautiful pouch. Okay, so so these three items they will give with your jewelry pieces. And also, how lovely with the Cartier, they have given me this because I shopped on my birthday. So they made my birthday special. It says happy birthday, Tara. Okay, so now final thing is the invoice, like how much I paid for the jewelry. So it depend on which country you are staying. The price is almost same everywhere. So I live in India, so the price is in INR. So this is the invoice, and let's not waste any further time and let's do the unboxing, you guys. Wow, the joy of unboxing a Cartier jewelry piece with you all. This is a very special unboxing. Ta-da! They have packed it so beautifully. The seal, wow, the seals are so like British, like, you know, like king and queen era kind of stamping. And it says Cartier, and so here it goes. The screw is already out, so I think this is the love bracelet. because I bought two pieces, another is in another box. Ta-da! You guys, you can see this is the love bracelet. Along with the love bracelet, they give you this screw to fit, and so here you have to pull it like this. Oh my god, so you can box it. How gorgeous is this jewelry piece, you guys? This is a very popular piece. I know you must have seen hundred of times in other YouTube videos, but for me this is like a very special piece, and it has some numbers in it. The screw, you have to open it from here, and you have to wear it, which I'll be doing later on. So it was just unboxing. So this is the first piece of jewelry I bought, you guys. I bought it in size 17 and in yellow gold, because yellow gold is my favorite. So let me keep this one here. One unboxing done. So let's go for the second one. The second piece which I got from Cartier. Everything is same. So this is the kind of box they will give you, and inside you have the cleaning pouch, cleaning material, the same as I shown in the previous unboxing, and it has the jewel travel pouch where you can keep your bracelet, and there is invoice and certificate and the invoice. So let's go and unbox the second item which I got for my birthday. This is a very special unboxing, you guys. Let's unbox. Wow, I don't want to break it though, because it looks so pretty. What a beautiful unboxing this one, you guys. So here also they have this stamping thing. Let me try to pull it out without breaking it, because I'm loving this paper. All right, let me try, because I don't want to tear it like that. Yeah, let's do it very nicely and properly. Okay, the seal is now broken, can't help it. Ta-da! So this is the second piece of jewelry I bought for myself on my birthday. So I always want to stack my bracelet. So I think by now you already know which piece is this, as I already unboxed the love bracelet. So this is the Juste on Clou. So let's go and unbox in front of you all. So this is the button from where you have to press it, and there you go. Here it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is size 16, you guys. Size 16 in yellow gold. Ta-da! Let me put this aside. So this is the second item which I bought, called Juste on Clou, and yellow gold, and size 16. So my love bracelet is in the size 17, and this is the size 16, which I'm gonna wear together. And yeah, so this was the unboxing, you guys, and I will make separate video how to wear it, and after wearing it, like review video. So right now I'm just in love with these bracelet, and this was unboxing. Review video will come up, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. It was one of the biggest joy, for me to buy something from Cartier. So I thought, let me do a nice unboxing and share it with you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll be making a separate video on the review and after using for some time. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel and follow for more. Thanks for watching, and I love you all. Bye.